Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create your own AWS ASG and LB on Brainboard. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to create it from scratch. Then I'm going to select AWS as my cloud provider. As a first resource, I'm going to use a region. Then I will configure it. So here will be US East, North Virginia. Then now I will include a VPC. So VPC, we look at it, is this one, and I will include it in my region. Then I will configure it. Here will be, the name will be default. Then side the block will be var VPC, this one. And I don't need the tags, so I can simply delete them. Here I will make these two resources bigger to now include two AZ. So now I will include the first one. So I look for it. Here is this one in the VPC. Then I will configure it so it's AZ4 advanced configuration, it's 1A. And then I need to create another one, and this one will be the name will be here, and here it would be 1B. Now I need two subnets in the AZ here. The first one is this one, then the subnet I will configure it. So here is subnet 1. Because I already included the subnet in the region, in the VPC, and in the availability zone is already there. Side of block is this one. Then map, and then I don't need the tags here, so we are good to go. This one I need another one, so it will be 2AZ here. Here I will call it subnet 2 advanced configuration. We have the subnet, so var subnet 2 here, and we're good. So now I will include a row table association. Is here, I will include it in the subnet. Here would be RT1. Then row table ID would be this one, advanced configuration. It's perfect. So here we have this one, and here I need another one. So row table, it will be RT2. Row table ID will be this one. Advanced configuration, everything is correct. And here we position it like that. Then I need a VPC routing table, is this one. I will include it in the VPC. This is route. Then advanced configuration, we look at it. We don't need the tags, so it's good. Then we need the side block here. gateway ID is this one, and here we're good to go. Then I will create connector between here and there. It will be this, and it will be route table ID. I will do the same thing here. Will be like that. Route table ID. Here connector, we can add this one and this one like that. Now I need an internet gateway. So internet gateway is this one. Simply need to have it here. I will make it bigger now for the quality of the design. So here I do that, and here I make it bigger. Here as well, and here a little bit more. Perfect. This one I can hide it. Don't need it for now. Here, if I want, I can change the name so it can be internet gateway. Perfect. And here I need to create a connector between this one, and the connector I will call it gateway. ID. So this, for the quality of the design, still need to increase, and this as well, and will be here. Perfect. So now I created that. I need to create two security group. So security group is this one. And the subnet I can make it, so this one I can make it bigger. This one I can include it like that. So this one I can actually, yes, do that. Here and here in the subnet. Perfect. Is that I want. So here I will configure it. Will be G extra configuration. We don't need the tags. Within the name is this one. I go down. So it's good. This one, I will make it like that. Here, and this one here. And this one, I need to make it bigger. And this one as well. So this I do va. Here I need, so the subnet will be like that, and perfect. And this yes. So now I can use an ASG. Autoscaling group is this one in the security group. Now, so the name is web. The max size is 2. Here is 1. Advanced configuration. Desired capacity is 1. Here, enable metrics. Here, this group design. Perfect. So now, launch configuration is this one. Health check type is ELB. Load balancer is this one. Then here we have VPC zone identifier is here. Then is this one, and this one is here. And here we're good to go. So now I will make it bigger, and now we'll include auto scaling policy. So it's this one in the AG. Here, name will be, resource name will be default. Here, the name will be web policy. Then change in capacity, advanced configuration, adjustment time here. Here is 300. Scaling adjustment is 1. This one I will name it ASG policy up. This one is auto scaling. I need another one. It will be web policy down, name policy down, advanced configuration here is change in capacity, cooldown is 300. Here is -1. And I believe we are good to go here. So this one I will rename it. It will be ASG policy down. Here I need CloudWatch alarm AG So this one I can make it bigger, and this one as well, like that. Yeah. Here will be CPU alarm up. When I configure it, it will be the resource name will be this one. Alarm name will be here. Comparison operator will be greater, and here 2. So now we look at advanced configuration. We need dimensions, it's here. So we're good. Then we have metric name is this one. So it's CPU utilization. Here namespace AWS this one. Then period we have 120, and here average we don't need the tags here. Threshold it's 70, and here we're good. I need another one now. Here this one will be so I believe I need to make it bigger and to make it bigger like that. This one it will be CPU alarm down. When I will configure it, it will be here. It's CPU alarm down, alarm name comparison operator this one, evaluation period 2. Then advanced configuration. Meaning for dimensions. And metric name. This one, namespace EC2. This one will be period 120, and here will be average. We don't need the tags. Then we have threshold, it's 30, and we are good to go. So here I need a connector between this resource and this one, and here I need a connector between this one and this one as well. Perfect. So now I can have another security. So now I need to make it everything again bigger. Now I need another security group. It will be here. Just thinking that these ones I need to make them bigger. So here make them bigger, and here something, and this one. So here I will configure it. So here the name will be default. Then the name here will be default SG. Here we don't need. We look for VPC and it already been pre-filled. So this one is correct. So now in this security group, I need a classic CLB. But first this one I will make it the same shape as bar. Make it a little bit bigger. Yes, the CLB, I will include it in the security group. So I will include it here. Perfect. Now I will configure it. So it will be CLB 9 listener instance port will be this one. Here will be HTTP instance protocol HTTP. Here will be AT. Here will be HTTP. Advanced configuration cross is this one. And we need security group is good. Then we need subnets. This one, subnet ID 01. Perfect. Here I don't need the tags. Then I go to health check. Health check healthy is this one. Interval it's 30. Target it's HTTP. Here is 3 and here is 2. And here we're good to go like that. So it's perfect, and this one is going to be launch configuration for auto scaling group is this one in the security group as well. Create it like that. Here resource name is default. Image ID is this one. Here instance T2 micro. Advanced configuration security group. And here we're good to go. Then now I need to create a connector between this resource and this one, and here it looks like that. Okay. So this is good, and this I can reduce it a little bit, and this one as well. And here, yeah. Now I need to create the variables. So subnet, the first variable is subnet. So here, subnet ID, scope, architecture, type, string, default is this one, sensitive. Now here I create another subnet, so subnet 2. Here is string, here is a default, this one, perfect, and another one will be VPC, cider, type, string, default, this one. So here I showed you how you could create your own variables, how you can create your architecture diagram here with the code like that. As you can see, and here if I want I can do like that. So you have the code here, and you have the diagram over there, and now we will look at the deploy. Then once we are in the deploy, then we can actually go to settings, GitHub or GitLab. You can configure the one that you want. Let's say I would like to work on GitHub, Brainboard, then Terraform code, create a pull request. Here, use case. Brainboard is going to give me the link to the pull request here with the name and all the files that have been modified. So I can use my CI/CD pipeline if I want after that. But I can also do what I will do on Terraform, meaning I can do a plan, apply, and destroy. Let's do a plan. And then Terraform init and the Terraform state lock. Everything should be green, meaning it's ready to be deployed. And then if I want to apply it, I simply need to stop the current action, do an apply, and then it will be deployed on my AWS subscription. I hope this video has been useful for you, and you have any questions, I'm here to help you. Have a great day.